Hi you guys, and welcome to my bathroom. Hey, it's me, Raine, and welcome back to beauté's channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick date night look, and I know we're all in confinement right now, so we will not be going out on dates anytime soon. But when we are let out of our homes, best believe that we are gonna be ready and set for that date. So without further ado, let's get started. So for this look today, we're going to go in with the Ultra Violet Ensemble by beauté. We're also going to be taking a soy blender, and I really like these because you can see how much it expands when it's wet. And we're going to start by taking a taupe shade and putting that in the crease and starting with dabbing motions and then going in little circles to blend it out. You're going to go ahead and repeat this step as many times as you want, depending on how pigmented you want the color to be. Go ahead and repeat the steps on both eyes, and don't forget to bring it on the bottom as well. Next, we're going to go ahead and start packing on a shimmery color to the center of the lid. In this case, the color pigment wasn't coming off exactly how I wanted it to, so I went ahead and wet the brush with a setting spray and applied the pigment onto my eye like so. I went in with a darker shade to go ahead and deepen up my eyes a bit, so I focused the product on the outer corner of the eye and slowly blending it into the crease. As usual, don't forget to bring the product on bottom of the eyes as well. The last step of our eyeshadow is to go ahead and take a light cream color and highlight the brow bone. No look is complete without a little contour, so I'm taking a contour stick and going in a 3 motion to go ahead and contour my cheekbones, my jawline, and my forehead. I'm taking the same product and bringing it down my nose to go ahead and contour that as well. To blend that out, I'm going ahead with the foundation brush from the Ensemble. I'm then taking our soy blender and further blending out the harsh lines that I might have missed with the brush. Our last steps are to pop on some highlighter using the fan brush from the Ensemble and adding a red lip. I'm focusing most of the color on the center of the lips and further blending it out towards the outer corners to give a more stained look. Top off the lips with a gloss and your look is complete. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to go ahead and leave a like on this video down below. And while you're down there, don't forget to give us a comment as well. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in our next video. Bye-bye.